Hi, my name is Rob Decker and I'm the Progressive Conservative candidate for Ottawa Centre in this year's provincial election. I'm running in this election because I know that Ontario can do better. I'm a resident of the riding. I live in Centretown. I'm the president of Daybreak Nonprofit Supportive Housing. It's an organization that provides affordable, supportive housing to single women and men. I'm also active in my community. I sit on the Roads and Cycling Advisory Committee for the City of Ottawa, and I also am a member of the Centretown Citizens Community Association and chair their Transportation Committee. But more importantly, I'm the father of two children, 19-year-old Emma and 17-year-old Nicholas. The biggest issues in this provincial election for me are excessive government spending, our ever-growing debt, and the affordability for families to meet their budgets. Hydro rates have gone through the roof, people can no longer take any more, and high energy prices are killing jobs. In the last 8 years, the McGuinty government has increased program spending by 77%. This is excessive and cannot continue. It is unsustainable. The issues change in Ottawa Centre as I move from community to community. We have a really diverse riding. Many in the riding are fed up with the way their tax dollars are being spent. Many want income tax relief, and our income sharing program has been well received at the doors I'm visiting. People also don't want to open up their hydro bills. Electricity and home heating cost is the issue I hear at every door. And for those that rely on the government for support, the issue of being able to make ends meet is key. For me, public service and community involvement all started with my parents. They taught me to give and to help others. So as the MPP for Ottawa Centre, I will work with all the communities in the riding to make sure everyone is treated equally and everyone gets their fair shake. I want to be your MPP to bring a new record to Ottawa Centre and to end the cycle of Dalton McGuinty's broken promises, and to bring Ontario back to a have province as a part of a Tim Hudak government. On October 6th, I'm asking for your vote for change in Ontario, to restore affordability and offer tax relief to the families of Ottawa Centre. On October 6th, vote Rob Decker, your Progressive Conservative candidate for Ottawa Centre.